Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello, greetings from Indonesia. My name is Julia Magdalena. I'm author paper with title Web-based Village Fund Management Monitoring System. I'm from Institute Science and Physics at Maluhur Pangkal Pinang, Bangka Belitung, Indonesia. Introduction. Village funds are funds sourced from the state revenue and expenditure budget extended from villages that transferred through district and city regional revenue and expenditure budget and used to fund governance, development implementation, community development, and community empowerment based on PDTT Village Regulation Number 11 of 2019. PDTT Village Regulation Number 11 of 2019 in Chapter 2, Article 5, Paragraph 1 and 2 also explains that priorities of village funds to finance the implementation of programs and activities in the field of village development and village community empowerment. The priority of the use of the village fund, as referred to the paragraph first, must provide maximum benefits for the village community in the form of improving the quality of life, increasing welfare, alleviating poverty, and improving public services. Based on Republic Indonesia Financial Regulation Number 49/PMK 07/2016 concerning procedures for allocation, distribution, use, village fund monitoring, and evaluation. The formula for village fund is basic allocation plus formula allocation. The village fund allocator uses the proportion and weight formula as follows: 90% based on equity or basic allocation, namely the minimum allocation of village funds to be received by each village, the amount of which is calculated by finding 90% of the village fund budget divided by number of villages nationally, and 10% based on variables of number of villages, the village poverty level, the area of village, with weight of 25% of each variable, 35%, 10%, and 30%. Village funds sourced from the APBN are a part of village revenues. The village fund budget for 2020 is 70 trillion rupiah. This amount increased by 2 trillion rupiah from 2019, which was only around 70 trillion rupiah. Village development is managed in a participatory manner because it involves the participants of the village community. Village development leads to the realization of village independence because village development activities must be managed by the village by utilizing human resources in the village, as well as natural resources and environment in a sustainable manner. The aim of the government to channel the village fund directly to the village is so that the village is empowered in implementing and managing to regulate and manage priority in the development and empowerment of the village community. Literature review. Number 1 until number 4 is some literature review regulation based on government of Indonesia about monitoring and use village funds. Letter review number 5 until number 8 is some research from another researcher that have interest with monitoring and implementing information system in some village and in Indonesia. Number 9 and number 12 is also research about how important using system information to support monitoring and using web in management or controlling village farm. And this is also some village in Indonesia that already use information technology to support villagers and head village to make use village fund in the right way. Number 17 until number 20 is also some research that concern about how manage village fund using information system. Number 21st and 24 is also how important using web-based government to support head village to manage and monitoring with fund village fund. And the last literature review is some book that support and for the methodology that used in this research. This research method used to design a monitoring information system for the utilization of village fund is extreme programming or XP. XP grew rapidly because it was considered a lightweight software development method. The main goal of XP is the development of high-quality software that is efficient, on time, and within budget. Object-oriented is part of the development of information system based on the stages of system development. Object-oriented system allow the system to be built in stages according to system requirements. Object-oriented systems go through several stages such as planning, analysis, design, and implementation. System detection is done using the unified modeling language. Result and discussion. The web-based information system used to monitor the process of disbursement and use of village fund in Air Limau Village, West Bangka Regency, is divided into three processes groups, namely the process of receiving, disbursing village fund, and reporting the use of village fund. This process group made it easier for the head of village finance to track the process of allocating village funds. This process group also makes it easier to manage access authority to the system. Actors who are involved in the process have different levels of access according to their level of importance. Result and discussion. Figures 1 show that interaction between the head of finance, the village head, and the region who have roles to interact with the system. Access financial data and village assets and their description, and print a list of proposed action plans. Verify village financial data and assets, print out a recommendation for receiving village funds, and receiving data on village fund receipts. Figure 2 show the process of disbursing village funds, the interaction of the head of finance, the village head, and the village secretary, and the implementer of the activity takes the form of following processes: data on activity implemented, account data and payment orders, and data on village fund disbursement along the recapitulation of village fund expenditures. Figure 3 shows the interaction of the head of finance, village head, and district head. These processes are specially for creating village fund receipt reports and village fund expenditure reports. Based on the interaction of actors and systems described in the use case diagram, the system design then is to design to user interface. Design figures 4 until 11 show several user interface design. Figure 4 show the login system design. Design of admin login design display. Admin dashboard display design. Design view of found allocation change. Design view list of proposed active site village found allocation. Design of view at data view village found allocation. Design of recommended data entry display. Design of reception data entry display. View page of expenditure recapitulation. Conclusion. The web-based information system is an alternative system that allows the use of village fund allocation to be monitored by village officials, related parties at the sub-district and district levels, and by the village community. A web-based information system will be ensure that village funds can be channeled for the benefit of village communities in a transparent manner. This system seeks to minimize misuse of village funds. The system will be developed in stages according to the level of village readiness in utilizing information systems and the readiness of supporting infrastructure. Thank you, and we will see you in Pangkal Pinang.